Hi, I'm here with Varshaa from SkyKick. Varshaa, welcome.
Thank you. Great to be here.
Tell me a little bit about SkyKick. What do you guys do?
Yeah, so SkyKick's mission is to help partners be more successful in the cloud. And the way we do this is through our platform, which helps Microsoft 365 partners migrate, protect, manage, and secure their 365 customers. We have about 30,000 partners globally that use our technology, and we have a strong EMEA presence, with Amsterdam being home for our EMEA headquarters.
And when you talk about partners, are you talking about IT solution providers, MSP? What sort of partners am I looking at?
Yeah, so we run the gambit of IT partners, distributors, managed service providers, but primarily partners that work in the space of Microsoft 365. And predominantly, a lot of our solutions have been built on the partner reality, and that's often informed by the customers. So about a decade ago, it was about migrating customers in the cloud. A few years later, it was about protecting that data that was in the cloud. Then during the pandemic, it was about securing their IT help desk operations. And now, as we come into this year, we're really focused about helping partners deliver security effectively, both the proactive and reactive side, to help customers on risk and resiliency. So we have one solution called Security Manager, which is focused on the risk standpoint, and the other which is on Cloud Backup, which is the solution that I'm the product marketing leader for.
Tell me a little bit about what's the difference between set and forget and regret and forget?
Yeah, so it's very interesting. So when we start to look at data protection as a whole, really in the past few years, there have been a lot of vendors that have come out with solutions called set and forget. And the idea was protect the data, put it in the closet, and then when you need the data, bring it back. But the thing is, the IT landscape has evolved quite significantly. There is a lot more data. Data is the number one asset for customers. And in that, there's a lot more data risk that you can see through ransomware, through new cybersecurity and compliance frameworks, through newer entrants like cyber insurance. And a lot of these vendors that were set and forget are now forget and regret because they're not meeting the new evolved needs. So what we've done on our side is we've done a lot of evolution this year to our Cloud Backup solution to make it customer-centric, automated, and more secure. And so we call it the most intelligent solution for 365 data protection.
So your partners and their clients, they're going to be ready for the challenges of, say, 2024?
Yeah, so when we think about where we're evolving the product, we're trying to help partners be more engaging and deliver more value. So a few of those features have include filtering up the data and the data protection trends through our features like Smart Insights. We've been doing a lot more around automation, such as groups management and leveraging the technology in Entra ID, as well as being more comprehensive. And so that just gets you the table stakes. But as we start to look at 2024, I really see three key challenges happening. Number one, at a local level, you have NIS2, which is a new EU cybersecurity framework, and partners as well as their customers will have to navigate that challenge next year. So we feel we have a role to play in helping partners simplify that to their customers. If I look a little bit more globally, you can see a lot of consumers adopting generative AI solutions. So a lot of customers now are creating Christmas cards using Gen AI. As we start to see the technology being adopted in enterprise and then SMB and mid-market, there is a big opportunity for partners to get these customers AI ready. And so how do you do that? Ensuring that the data is protected and you're locking down the security and permissions around it. And then fundamentally, at least as it relates to SkyKick, we're all about making things simple. This year was all about doing more with less. So we see 2024 as do more in 24. And you'll see a lot from us in terms of updates in technology, keeping things simple through partner enablement, and then just making things as simple, easy, intuitive to use as we move into 2024.
Well, I'll be happy to talk to you again in 2024 about this. So thank you very much.
Thank you so much. Very excited.
Yeah.
Cheers.